Hey people, so Netflix has released this very limited edition of this particular, it's just a 23-minute long documentary called Coronavirus Explained. So, uh, you know, like watching that documentary gets you very, there's this whole thing of, did you know that the Ebola virus, that SARS and Ebola and, these were far more deadly virus, especially the Ebola. But because it was not anyone who contracted Ebola used to be completely bedridden uh, and then they would pass away, so it was not too contagious. But with regard to the coronavirus, the carrier may not know that he has the virus with him, but he'll just go and spread it to other people, so and this particular documentary goes back to 1918, the first the I think the first recorded pandemic was took place in 1918. So, and invariably it's certain animals, they certain viruses, like they mutate from animals and then they come onto humans. So watching that documentary gets one a little scared, but for the brave people out there, you all should try and catch it. It's called Coronavirus Explained and it's on Netflix. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.